Hello, good sir.
Hello guys. So
Hello.
today
Yes, speaking your real voice, please.
oh shit. So today we are today today we are flying this big guy.
No FPV today?
Maybe.
Well, there's a
We'll
gap
see.
there.
If
There's a gap there.
if we have the time, but
If we have the, but YouTube first, right?
YouTube first.
YouTube first.
Today
Today,
Mavic 4
Mavic 4,
Creator Edition.
Creators Edition.
Another Mavic 4 because
Another Mavic 4.
we have
because
like 10,000 drones. A3s.
A3s and the
Mini. Oh, it's the minis here. Mini 5.
Mini 5.
So we are going to test the Fusion HDR and see if it's the same, if it's better here,
Or if it's better on the new ones.
and if this one has it at all.
Yeah, I don't know about that actually.
It's really small now. Looks small. It used to look big compared to the R2s.
Yeah,
Now it looks
used to look, now it looks really small.
now it looks small.
And the other one just crazy small, right?
So I can do a pile of drones.
Huh. The three brothers.
Ini mani mo.
Mini, mini, mo. Who's Mo?
This is Mo. Mo.
You mini.
This is mini. Mini.
We're gonna have the Mavic 4 on the air, test the Fusion HDR, and also we might have a small trick for you guys, but we need to test it first. Because you only get the Fusion HDR if you have auto on your settings or auto on your ISO. The problem with that is when you're filming and you're exposing to the dark side or the white side, your exposure will change middle shot, which is not a good professional look if you want it. So, a friend of ours, João Coutinho, told us that he uses a small trick, which is he has on this button right here, below here, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so here, he has the lock exposure, correct?
Yes.
Lock exposure, AEL lock.
AE lock.
Yeah, AE lock. So what that does is, once you got the auto on your ISO or auto on your settings, you click there and you have the exposure you want, and it will lock the exposure until you unlock that button. So I don't know if it works. We're gonna test it out and get some new information for you guys. So let's go. So now we're just prepping the drones. We're gonna fly the Mini with the RC2, correct. The Air 3s with the big RC Pro 2.
Yes.
And we also have another RC Pro 2 for the Mavic 4. It's quite the opposite because they're exchanged, but it is what we're gonna use today.
So it's the other way around. Mini 5, 3s, Mavic 4. So I'm gonna press record on all of them.
1,
2,
2.
3. Everything is manual settings on all the drones. The Mini 5, I'm gonna see on the screen. I'm gonna change the ISO to auto.
Okay. We're gonna put the screens over here. 1, 2, 3, so you can see them all, and you can talk.
Okay, so Mini 5, manual ISO, I'm gonna press auto, and you can see the shadows have more information now. You can see I'm gonna turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. I'm gonna do the same on the Mavic 4. So it's manual now. I'm gonna turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off again. And you see the shadows. They are better, the auto ISO, get more information on the shadows. Though the Air 3s, I'm gonna do the same thing. So it's manual now, auto, manual, auto, manual. I need to check at home, but looking at the screen, I think it's not doing anything. It's the same. So I believe the Air 3s does not do the Fusion HDR like the other two. That will be the gist of that.
So at first glance, you see that the A3s doesn't have Fusion HDR.
I'm gonna turn it on. If you,
Okay.
can you close up to the screen?
Yeah, wait.
I'm gonna
Okay, you're good.
brightness at the max. Now, ISO.
Hold on.
Do you see a change? And I put auto.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'll do the same on the Mini.
Wait.
Let me see the screen brightness. It's maximum. So ISO, auto.
Yeah, you can see the change.
Yeah, it changes. It's better with the auto.
Okay.
And the A3s, I can't see any change. So it looks the same to me on the screen.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe on the computer it's different.
No, but it's not doing anything.
I mean, even if it's doing something, it's very light, so
yeah.
you don't notice. that
Comparing
much.
to the Mavic 4, the Mavic, the Mini 5, it's a huge difference. Test with the 3 drones, the Mini 5, the A3s, and the Mavic 4. And we have something to tell you. Gonçalo?
So, as we saw, I believe the A3s does not have Fusion HDR, but I'm gonna try something else that Francisco told you about a while ago.
Yeah.
So, don't know if you guys can see, but I'm recording the screen so I can show you. I'm gonna do the auto ISO on the Mavic 4. It changes the exposure a bit, but if I turn to the right side, you see the image is
Changing the exposure, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
But sometimes you don't want this, right? I mean, most of the times you don't want this. You want to lock exposure and do a clean shot from start to end. So, you can turn this off. What you can do is, you are manual exposure, you press the auto ISO, Fusion HDR kicks in, then you can lock with the AE lock, like all the cameras have, and then you retain the Fusion HDR and you retain the exposure. You retain both things. Of course, this is not properly exposed. This is darker,
But it works then.
it's very dark. But it's just for the purpose of showing you guys. You can lock the exposure and still retain the Fusion HDR. Now I'm coming back to the original place. Rotate it back to the left. I'm gonna turn the lock off. The exposure does not change.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna turn auto ISO off, and there it goes, the Fusion HDR.
And turn on now.
On,
Okay. Now exposure.
AE lock,
Oh, cool. So it works then.
AE lock off, auto ISO off. So you can do both things. You can use Fusion HDR with auto ISO and lock the exposure and have a clean shot like we used to do. So we just wrap things up here, finish the tests, the flight with the true image, not side by, I mean, yes, side by side. And you can see the differences with the Fusion HDR on the Mini 5 and the Mavic 4, and I believe not on the A3s because we still need to confirm at home, but I think it was clear that it was a bit worse. What do you think, Francisco?
I think the Mini 5 is a beast of a little drone. The quality is up there with the Mavic 4, but as we saw in the tests, that, well, I love this guy. It's just easy to use and it just works. But the R3S is still one of my favorite drones, but the lack of Fusion HDR, it's really a bummer because me and Gonçalo always want the best quality you can get from a drone. So,
I mean, A3s is still one of my favorite drones because I love the telephoto. I don't know if I would choose the Mini for travel or not. I mean, the weight is and the size is great, of course, but I really like to have a telephoto, and especially for me, it's very important to have wind resistance. And the A3s is clearly better than the Mi 5 in that regard. So,
yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe they can add it on a firmware update.
The wind resistance, yeah.
No, not wind resistance. Yeah, that could be
they
great.
Can send you like 4 bigger motors, a bigger frame, and just
no, but
mount the drone.
if they added the Fusion HDR, the R3S would be your favorite drone.
Yes, I think so. But I believe you cannot just do that in firmware.
Yeah, probably not.
Maybe a sensor thing.
Wishful thinking.
Maybe. Not sure.
But
great.
I want to tell you something very important.
What?
Subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribe.
Please.
Subscribe. And leave a like. And follow us on Instagram. Gonzalo
Yeah,
and
yes.
Maya Visuals.
Yeah.
And our,
And our account, of course.
because it's
our
very
giant
small.
account with
It's
like
very small, but it's gonna be great
30
again.
subscribers, 30 followers. Sorry.
Yeah.
Maybe let's get that up. Okay. Bye.